We're going to walk through a property right now located at 1422 Polydora. This is out Petrenko Road. It's in zip code 78245. It's in Arcadia Ridge subdivision. They're still building some homes out here. This is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath. All the bedrooms are located upstairs, and we'll go inside and take a look here. Here on your left, as you come in, you're going to have a study area, as well as a half bath here on your left. This is an open floor plan. We'll look back here to the entry. You step out into your living room here, dining and kitchen. Kitchen with the granite countertops. Through that door, you're going to have a nice pantry. Through that door, you go straight out to the garage. Has a water softener, garage door openers. In the kitchen here, you have gas cooking. Take a look back here. We'll go up the stairs here in a second. Throughout this property, you can have ceramic tile and carpet. Let's take a look at the back yard. Very nice sized backyard. And also has a covered patio, and that's a good size for coming outside, enjoying the evening if you like. This property is in the North Side ISD. This property is for rent. This house has 2 living areas. You saw the living room downstairs. You're going to have this little game room area, or loft as some people call it. And this comes right up. Master bedroom here first. All the other bedrooms are down there. Let's take a look at the master. Double vanities in here. With your shower here. This is a walk-in closet. That's going to be your linen closet there with some shelves in there. Second bathroom. One thing you might like is the laundry room here is upstairs. We'll go to this back bedroom. These bedrooms are approximate size 10 by 10, 10 by 11. The approximate square footage of this property is 2,080. Built in 2017 out in Arcadia Ridge. That's out Petrenko Road, outside Loop 1604. We'll take a look at this last bedroom. If you want some information on this property, you can call Liberty Management at 210-681-8080, or you can get a lot of information from Mark Fee at 210-618-9161. Once again, this is 1422 Polydora, located out Petrenko, off 1604, outside 1604, in the Northside ISD, zip code 78245. Okay, thank you for watching.